Welcome back to iMotor's Mind. Today, we're diving into something a little different but equally exciting at the 2025 Xiaomi Su7 Ultra. Xiaomi may be a name you're used to seeing in the world of smartphones, but they've taken a bold leap into the auto industry with this futuristic ride. Let's break down everything you need to know about this electric SUV, from key features, performance, interior, design, and what makes it stand out in the crowd. Let's start with the design. The Xiaomi Su7 Ultra is sleek, modern, and undeniably futuristic. It has a smooth, aerodynamic profile that immediately catches your eye. The front fascia is dominated by a thin, LED light strip that runs across the grille-less front, giving it a clean and minimalistic look. The body is built with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber materials, reducing overall weight while maintaining structural rigidity. The SUV sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, which not only add to its road presence but also enhance its performance on the road. From the sharp, angular lines to the seamless integration of cameras instead of traditional side mirrors, Xiaomi has designed the Su7 Ultra to make a bold statement. Step inside the Xiaomi Su7 Ultra, and you'll be welcomed into a world of premium materials and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is spacious, with enough room to comfortably seat 5 adults. Xiaomi has used sustainable materials like recycled leather and eco-friendly fabrics to keep the interior both luxurious and environmentally responsible. Dominating the dashboard is a massive 15-inch OLED touchscreen display that handles all infotainment, climate control, and navigation functions. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, allowing drivers to choose from various layouts and information readouts. When it comes to technology, the Xiaomi Su7 Ultra does not disappoint. The car comes equipped with Xiaomi's advanced MIUI Auto system, which integrates seamlessly with all your smart devices. You can control your home appliances, lock your doors, or even check your Xiaomi smart security cameras right from the car's infotainment screen. Connectivity features include 5G support, over-the-air software updates, and an intelligent voice assistant that can control almost every feature of the car. Xiaomi has even integrated an AI-powered predictive driving system that learns your driving habits and adjusts the car's settings to suit your style. Now, let's talk performance. The Xiaomi Su7 Ultra is powered by a dual electric motor setup, giving it all-wheel drive capability. It generates an impressive 500 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, which is more than enough for everyday driving. As for the battery, the Su7 Ultra is equipped with the state-of-the-art 110 kWh battery pack, giving it a range of up to 450 miles on a single charge. With Xiaomi's proprietary fast charging system, you can charge the battery up to 80% in just 25 minutes. And thanks to regenerative braking technology, the SUV can recapture energy while driving, further extending its range. Xiaomi has also packed the Su7 Ultra with a full suite of safety features. It includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for effortless parking. But the real star of the show is Xiaomi's AI-powered autonomous driving system. The SUV is equipped with level 4 autonomy, meaning it can handle most driving tasks without human intervention. So, what makes the 2025 Xiaomi Su7 Ultra stand out in the electric SUV market? First, it's Xiaomi's seamless integration of smart home technology that gives this car a tech-savvy edge. Second, the bold, futuristic design is bound to turn heads wherever it goes. And finally, the long electric range, coupled with ultra-fast charging, makes it one of the most practical electric SUVs for long-distance drivers. Combine that with Xiaomi's reputation for delivering high-tech products at competitive prices, and you've got a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. In conclusion, the 2025 Xiaomi Su7 Ultra is an impressive debut into the world of electric vehicles. It combines cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and excellent performance in a single, well-rounded package. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable electric SUV, The Xiaomi Su7 Ultra is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews like this, make sure to like, subscribe, notification bell.